Let's talk about the importance of bracing. Everyone should learn how to brace properly before they learn how to lift really heavy loads, right? In order to brace properly, you need to be able to breathe and create a bunch of pressure into the abdominal area. That's why weightlifting belts work so well. When you draw in your deep breath, it'll expand your abdominal area into the belt, creating a bunch of pressure. Now, common mistakes you'll see with folks that are new to lifting weights or this idea of bracing and creating abdominal pressure is when they take in a deep breath, you'll see their shoulders and their chest elevate up towards their ears. That's already my first sign of knowing, hey, we're not bracing properly. We want to actually see the air in our stomach and everything expand out 360 degrees. Another common mistake is an anterior pelvic tilt. This is where we have the rib cage flare and the pelvis tilt. The problem with that is when the pelvis and the rib cage aren't meeting each other, we can't draw air down and create a bunch of pressure. Think of this as like a piston. You can create a bunch of pressure going down into the bottom. A simple exercise that I like to use to teach people how to brace better is the dead bug. It's not an easy exercise, but it's simple. So what you're going to do is you're going to lay down on your back, elevate the shoulders, and then bring the feet up and your legs up until your lower back is pressed firmly onto the ground. From this position, you're going to take a deep breath into your stomach so that way you feel a lot of tension in your core. And actually, a great drill is taking a small weight plate and placing on your stomach and watching your stomach raise the plate up and down as you take in a breath. Okay, that helps you learn to draw the air down. Okay, so once you're in this position, what you can do to challenge yourself as you get used to the mechanics is take your limbs and start with the arms first and reach back without losing that lower back into the ground. If you lose your lower back from the ground, basically what's happening is you're going back into that anterior pelvic tilt where the ribs flare and the pelvis tilts. And now you don't have a good position to be able to draw the air down and create a bunch of pressure. I hope that helps.